everyone. Greetings from Edument Indian Online School. My beloved students, dear parents and teachers, we all are here today to celebrate Oman National Day. All of you know that at Edument, we believe in inclusion. We absorb students of different types with any sort of learning disabilities or appreciable talents, and we do have children from all over the world, representing almost all the countries. So at Edument, we will be celebrating almost all the national days. Through this celebration, our children are getting the message that we all are one and we should be able to accept people from everywhere. And also regarding the information side, the children are getting a chance to learn about different countries, their culture and the people. So today when we are celebrating the Oman National Day, let's say a big hi to all our students from Oman in particular, and through different cultural programs, let's make this day a wonderful one. So on this special day, to my dear students, parents and teachers, let me wish you a very happy Oman National Day. All of you have a wonderful day today. Enjoy. Thank you.